8-core Android 11, 1-DIN Car Multimedia, CarPlay 5G Universal Navigation, GPS 1-DIN Headunit Auto Radio, using a new low-power super chip to replace the high-power old chip. The operating temperature is low, the service life is long, and the performance is more powerful. New customized UI design brings you a new experience. Support steering wheel control, quantum dot technology to optimize sharpness, color, contrast frame by frame. See more details. Easily. 3D stereo surround sound, DSP master level tuning. You can choose preset sound effects, and you can also adjust the sound effects at will. You can tune whatever you want. 3D stereo surround DSP. Enjoy the Imperial Auditorium. Enjoy 3D stereo surround sound. A variety of preset sound effects, professionally debugged by the DTS Master Tuner. You can set the Emperor sound field. Set the volume, tone, and sound range of different positions. In this position, give you a king-like listening experience. 5G Wi-Fi, higher wireless transmission speeds. A6A8V1 model support. The A6A8V1 models support 360 panoramic cameras. The A6A8 models support USB car TPMS. AI voice. Free your hands. Start a smart journey. A variety of maps can be downloaded at will. Enjoy the fun of driving and travel the world safely. Support CarPlay. Support Android Auto. ADAS driving warning function. If you are too close to the vehicle in front or deviate from the current driving track, it will alarm and remind, making your driving safer. You can open 2 app pages at the same time. Split screen display. A6A8 support 4G Wi-Fi for video output. Click by video output box. The keys support light color setting. You can set your favorite color at any time according to your own preferences. Built-in Bluetooth 5.0. Support Bluetooth phone, Bluetooth music address book.